Alright, so we're back to play Ambrose Golf here at Templeton Golf Course. But today we're gonna use a cart. Sino kakampi?
Dalawa.
Dalawa kami daddy. Sige. So back to original partners. Parang hindi pa nasanay sa bugbog nung nakaraan Gusto pang umisa. So see you guys in the end. Hole number 1, par 4, 296 meters. On the tee, Prebleton represent. Mag-ingay para kay Ognapis. Second on the tee, Wigram represent. Ang kilabot, Johnny Sins. Puta, grabe. Alright, on the trees.
On the tee, Saddam. Ilang part? Karolig, okay lang.
Second shot, hero shot. There's a tree right in front of us. Let's see if it will pass through. Nice shot! Goods! On the green. On the green, nice one. Goods.
Okay lang.
Second shot for Team Wigram. Doon lang. Jadi. Oh, nice! Grabe naman yun, Uy, goods din, Putang ina! Iba ka na nga! Ibang-iba ka na nga!
For birdie. Pating birdie. Uy, okay lang.
Patting birdie from 14 Prebs. Yun na naman. Ito na. The Patting Masters. Yun. The Patting Master takes 40 years to make a putt, to take a putt. Walang pace of play. Let's see kung worth it pa lahat ng prepara na yan. For birdie for Team Wigram. Oh my God! Hey! Woo! Woo! For birdie, grabe. Sayang. Taas lang. Johnny on his putt. The solid putter. Solid putt. Thinking. Will he make a shot? He took a shot. And he didn't make a shot. For par. Goods.
For par.
For par and to have the hole. Oh my god, bogey. We got a bogey. So they're one up. At hole number 2, par 3, 145 meters. Recap on hole number 1. They won. In the first hole, they got a par, we got a bogey. Feels like deja vu. Let's see if they can continue their streak on hole number 2. Hole number 2, Tim Wigrom. Daddy, mapagmahal sa lahat. Kubika, thinking about his shot. Will he ever take his shot? When are you gonna take your shot? Now is the time to take your shot. Okay, good luck. Mama sa puno. It's starting. Rico J is starting to sing. Remember M, remember E. Put them together, remember me. On the tee, Donnie Bawa, representing Team Wigrom. Oh, ganun din. Sabi na. Rico J starting to sing. Rico J Puno. Brableton represent. Now teeing off. First shot. Ognapis. Nice. Goods. Goods one.
Lapas ka sa kabila.
Second shot for Team Wigrom. Woods on the green. Dali, the second shot. Let's see if we can make a better shot than Dali. Nahulog.
Second shot. Kupal yun ah.
Second shot for Team Brableton. Okay. Dalawang unggoy. Preparing for their long putt. Tangin na, pag yan pumasok yung lakas makachamba na itong dalawang ito. Charlie on the putt for par. Grabe yung para. Puta. Daming ebas. Will it transpire to their shot? All that planning, all that thinking will have been for nothing. What a shit shot. Isa ba to? Oh, planning. Planning and thinking. Will they execute what they have planned in mind? Team Wigrom for par. Layo! Sabi na eh. Dahil prepara. Layo! Okay. This is for bogey. It's a long bogey. Save bogey shot. Nice. Okay, double bogs na yan. Tito Boy for bogey and to put pressure on us. Nice, nice, nice. Sayang. Okay, double bogey.
Okay. 4 par and for with the win for this hole. Easy.
All right, so we won that hole. The score is now all squared. So we got a par and then we got a double bogey. Let's see how it goes on hole number 3. See you guys. Hole number 3, par 5 for 70 meters. First on the tee from Team Prebleton. Mag-ingay para kay Ognapis. Ananoy. Okay. Not a good tee shot. But you still have me, don't worry. Second on the tee from Team Wigram, the Heartbreak Kid, Danny Bawa. Oh.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yan, goods. Goods lang. Next on the tee, ang hilapot sa bawat salta, Jari Kubita. Bah!
Nice.
Na. Goods.
Oh. Bye. Babay na yun. Saan yun? Saan banda? Tumaas ba?
Team Preb, second shot. What a wonderful day. Yun, stinger. Goods. Ganda. Nice. Nice shot. Okay lang. Third shot. Rolling bunker. Third shot. Paano niya na to? Third, no? For birdie kayo. Third shot for Team Wigram.
Oy!
Goodbye. Andun na sa tubig. Jolly for the Team Wigram. Nice po, cha. Galing. Okay. Fourth shot. Pitching par. Nice. Stop. Okay, for par. For birdie and for the win. For Team Wigram. May speed. Aba, puta. Kailangan ma-shoot namin to. Daddy Prumepe pala. Preparing for his shot. Can he win the hole for Team Wigram? We'll have to wait and find out.
Ay, kaliwa.
Kaliwa. Nice speed though.
Finish nyo na. Sige.
4 par. Nice. Put
You
pressure
go
on
first,
us.
mate. 4 par and to tie.
Umuwi na kayo. Umuwi na kayo.
Ay!
4 par and to have the hole. Wala. Bogey. Sabi ka na bogey. Alright, sayang yung pating ko. Pucha. Tumawa lang sa edge. Medyo ano kasi yung edge yun eh. Trimmed. Yung umikot. Pero kung hindi trimmed yun, pasok yun. So, they're up by 1 after 3 holes. Let's see kung ganito rin yung nangyari nung nakaraan eh. Ganito rin yun. So, alternate kami ng panalo
Nakangiti pa sila ngayon.
Yeah, okay, di ba sila. After nito, ngiwi na yan, ngiwi. See you on the next hole. Now hole number 4, par 4, 343 meters. On the tee, Jadi Sins, representing Team Wigram, who's up by 1.
Nice boy.
Bah, pucha. Ganado ah. Sa baba. Sa baba pa rin. On the tee, from Team Wigram, Danny Bawa. Ganun din. Diretso sana eh. Oo. Next on the tee, representing Team Prebbleton, mag-ingay para kay Ugnabis. Keep rolling. Okay lang, maganda rin yun. Mas ganda pa nga yun eh.
Uy. Hello. Mama sa puno, saan nag-bounce? Oo, tumalisik dun sa mga puno dun.
Goodbye, ball. Second shot for Team Prebbleton. Tablik tsaka ng bola ko. Out of nowhere. Into the nowhere. Nowhere to be found. Yun! Yun lang. Bitin. Second shot. Nagro lang dun. Nandun lang sa may puno. Doon na. Dani ang nagti. On his second shot. Boom, yun lang.
Finish low lang. Kanan ng paa.
There.
Tapat na kanan.
Sayang.
Venas talaga sa puno si Jody ngayon.
Ayun o. Rico J. Third shot. 14 Wigram. Nag-uumpisa na po sila magkalat. Yun! Oh. Nag-uumpisa na po silang magkalat mga kaibigan. Mga tropa pips.
Doon pa kami.
Doon pa kami. Paborito na ng singer, Rico J. Puno! pitching par for Team Wigram. They're starting to crumble, mga tropa pips. Okay, hina. Jadi on his turn. Ito yung makakabawi. Medyo maganda. Pas.
For birdie. Nice. Kulang lang konti. Okay lang yan.
Third shot, pitching birdie. Ayun. Ayun na po, nagsisihin na sila. Bakit daw may puno sa fairway? Hindi nahilan na ang puno. Batting par. Nice one. Nice speed.
For par. For bogey, for bogey. Okay.
Boom! Utang ganda! Grabe naman yun! Kita niyo yun? That was a solid fast save bogey yun. So, after 4 holes, they're still up by 1. We both got bogey on that hole. Ito na bogey pa nila yun. Putang ina. Hindi kasi pumasok na namin. But, so, let's see how it fares on hole number 5. Hole number 5. Par 4, 304 meters. On the tee, representing Wigram. Mag-ingay para kay Danny Bawa. Boom. Rico J. On the tee. Prevalton represent. Mag-ingay para kay Ognapis.
Nice shot. Wow,
Hindi. Edit lang. Kawanan. On the tee. Walang kinikilingan, walang kinakatakutan. Si Ate Gladys lamang. Mag-ingay para kay Jadi Kubita. Shot!
Kanan, kanan, kanan.
Grabe!
Good shot, boss.
Ito na.
Ay, di mo na kita. Taas. Taas pa. Taas.
Oops. Minamadali mo, babalik mo eh.
Second shot for Team Wigram. Madaling tumira eh. Sabik patalo.
Forma na kasi kayo eh. Tayo yung video pag ano.
Okay, hindi pa tumira ang Team Wigram. Second shot for Team Prevalton. Ayun din eh. Doon na punta. Jadi on their second shot. Ay, bitin din. Okay, nice. Good. May chance.
Nice. Nice.
Third shot for Team Prebs. Pitching birdie. Hina boy. Third shot pa pala nila. Ay, lakas. Hindi bite. Sayang. Ooh! Hindi nag-bite. Bili tayo ng aso. The Putting King. The original. Putt anywhere. Everywhere. Anytime. Every time. Third shot. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. All for par. Okay, all for par. Lang. Putting par and to win the hole. Oy, sayang. Kumanan. Medyo putting par for our team Prebleton. And to put pressure on the other team. Oh, ano ba yun? Putting par and for the win. Pressure is on the line. Can he deliver? Ganda! Sabi na eh. Ganda. Kita niya yung bali eh. Alright, they won the hole. So they're up by 2. They got a par, we got a bogey. Makakabawi pa ba ang team Prebleton? Let's see. You just have to wait and see. See you at the next hole. Rico J! Puno!
Yung target mo ata?
Ba! On the tee, Prebleton represent. Mag-ingay para kay Ognapis. Putang ina ka. Wala na yun. Tubig yun. On the tee. Jadi Kubita. Scoop na scoop ah. Ba, ganda. Ang ganda ng roll oh. Fairway.
Okay lang, umangat. Doon din siya umabot oh. Minadali mo.
Second shot. Stone. Okay lang. Second shot for Team Wigram. The excavator. What a dig. Third shot for Team Wigram. It's a long way from the hole.
Sama naman guys, ito ba yun
Okay. Harder than before.
Dalawa lang yun. Behind kay Jody o sosobra.
Wala, tignan mo yan. Bitin. Ay,
Ay, maganda.
maganda. Grabing bite, oh! Nice.
Malayo pa rin yan. Patting birdie.
Puta, bitin lang. Pitching birdie for Team Prebs. Layo. Okay, for par and to put pressure on us. Grabe naman! Ay! Bitin! 10 beaten. Sayang. The preparation king. Basta tagal pa yung preparation. For par. And again, to put pressure on Team Prebleton. Nice line! Nice line! Yun lang. Yun lang. Bogey. Patting par and to win the hole. Nice one. Okay, we're now. Alright, so we won the hole over there. We got a par, they got a bogey. So we're down by 1. See you on the 7th hole. Alright, nice spotting by my partner. So let's see if we can tie the match on this hole number 7. Hole number 7. Par 5 for 80 meters. Jadi on the tee. Grabe, ang ganda. Oh, gitnang-gitna. Alright, nice one. On the tee. Representing Team Prebleton. Mag-ingay para kay Old Nappies. Boom! Nice! Okay, mas goods. Doon medyo kumaliwa na konti, pero goods. Near the fairway. Representing Team McGraw. Danny. But anytime, every time. Bawa.
Nice. Darin.
Apo!
Ganda. You go first after.
Oh, zinom ko na. Magsa.
Uy, sarap. Wow, ganda nun. Tingnan mo naka-zoom ako. Saan yun? Sa... Nandun. Sa may tao? Second shot for Team Prebs. Nice. Dun din. 4 ka lang 4! Tumira si Jadi. Now this is Danny's turn. Third shot for Team Wigro.
Nice.
Third shot. Hero shot. Daddy on their fourth. Bitin? Anong sit? Pitching birdie. Nice. Nice. Oh, gumulong pa. Pitching par. Nice. Ay, hina lang. Eh, baby. Packet yun eh. Patting par. Sobra.
Dali. 6.
Ilang. Patting par and for the win. Nice, 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 nice! Ow! For bogey. To put pressure on the other team. Nice. Johnny for bogey. And to have the hole. Oh, so, oy! Sobra naman Danny for bogey and to have the hole. Nice, nice. Oh! Double bogs. Alright, so all square. It's a tie match again. It's a tie match again, guys. Medyo gumaganda naman ang laban. Tie match. So we got a bogey on the 7th hole. They got a double bogey. So we won on that hole. It's a tie match. Yung ngiti nila na mapalitan na ng new eh. Purga na naman to sa trash talk. We're now on the 8th hole, par 3. Papu on the tee. Nice, ganda. Tapos lang. Next on the tee, Jadi Kubita. Uy, ay ay ay. Hook na hook. It's like Manny Pacquiao. Hook. Captain. Hook. Peter Pan. Teeing off on hole braid. Danny Bawa. Sayang. Wala. Oh, swerte. Nagkick-right. Buenas.
Lalim.
Second shot for Team Wigram with the score all square. Ang ngiti sa kanilang muka ay napalitan ng ngiwi.
Ngiwi talaga.
Ngiwi talaga. Napapangiwi ka talaga pag ganun tira mo. Second shot for Team Wigram. Johnny's turn. O ba, ganda.
Butin yan.
Go for spray.
For birdie.
Ganda po.
Second shot. Nice. Go, 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 go. 10 beats. After 10 practices. Pitching par. Lakas. Johnny's turn. Pitching par. Nice. Ganda. Nag-bite lang. Kung ayaw mo mag-bite, nagbabite.
For par. Go Pating King. Putang ina mo.
Putang ina talaga. For par and for the win. Uy, gumit na. Okay, so they need to
Pin out ko na para in case.
they need to do this bogey to have the hole. Nice. Ay, okay. Ang swerte nung nakaraan. Patting bogey to have the hole. Can he deliver once again? Oh, ay putong inong yan! Grabe! Grabe, save bogey na naman yun, long putt. Mr. Long Putt. Kung sa basketball, merong Mr. Long Pump. May sa golf, merong Mr. Long Putt. So the score is still tied, all square.
Ito, deciding.
Hole 9, par 4, 347 meters. So medyo may kinakabahan. Kaya hanggang hole 9 lang siya. So this will be our last hole for the Ambrose. So Sito Boy, he has to go home.
Okay.
Let's see kung sinong manalo dito. So it's a decision match, decision hole. Kung sino manalo, $10 to our funds. On the tee. First to hit. The Heartbreak Kid. Danny Bawa. From Team Wigram. Oh! Lalim.
Layo.
Yun na. Next on the tee. For Team Prebleton. Mag-ingay para kay Ugnapis. Mhm.
Kita mo?
Hindi na kita bumagsak eh.
Yo, nice.
Yun maganda, mataas.
Kanan, kanan.
Pasok yun, basta pumasok siya.
Parehas tayo.
Uy, straight sa ano ko.
Second shot. Same maneuver. Oh, ito na. Pangit ang second shot. Good. Kanan.
Go. Oh, talo lumusot nga doon. Putang ina.
Nakitira ko.
Second shot. Hero shot. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, nice. Goods.
Hindi pa lumabas dito?
Oh, nice third shot. Jati shot. Lakas lang. From there. Third shot for Team Prebs. Lakas, boy. Third shot. For par. And to put pressure on us.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Yun lang kung maliwa. Kala ko dire-diretso na eh. Muntikan. Tech Moon. Tech Moon.
Tira ka muna to? Oo.
After so many practice putting, will he ever putt? When will he putt? Is now the right time. Is now his time. We'll see. Oh, malayo. Okay, may chance, may chance. My chance! Batting par and for the win.
Mahina.
Sabi na kaliwa ka eh.
For $10.
Sana oh.
Alright, so we got a bogey. So they need to putt this hole to have the hole.
Ay, sobra ka.
Oh my god! The pressure is pressuring. I can smell. If you smell the $10 is waving.
Canada naman yan. Last time.
Ah! Half hole. All right, we got a tie game, my friends. All square on the ninth hole.
Nice game, nice game.
All square on the all nine holes.
Join.
Nice game. So we'll continue this next time. Okay, so now we're gonna do the back nine and we're gonna score individually. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi, kung gaganda ba ang tira. We're now at hole number 10, par 4, 369 meters on the tee. Jadi, mapagmahal, Kubita. Kanan. Boom. Pangit dun. Wala pa. Hanggang alas 2 pa lang. Boom. Kaliwat kanan. Ba't adan? Ba't adan?
Yun, diretso. Kumana ng bagya. Boom. Hindi naguro yun.
The only second shot. Hero shot. Tumama sa puno. Lapis. Drop shot. Second shot. Bawi. Boom. Goods.
Second shot.
Yung kumanan dun, grabe. Jari, third shot. Putang ina, yun lang. Sayang, gagi. Tapos yung third shot. Bitin na bitin. Fourth shot. 4 par. Wait lang. Putang ina, mulik na naman. Fourth shot. Nice one. Oh, for boobs.
Suave. Suave.
Ganda. Taas. Honda T. Tapo. Banda.
Tumaas.
First mulligan.
Tumama sa kahoy. Buti hindi yung nag-recoil. Third shot.
Putang ina, kahoy na naman. Favorite si puno talaga. Fourth shot. Pagkaroli. Bye-bye.
Second shot. It's second shot for Jadi. Third shot. Nice. Ang nag-green. Kung ano lang. Third shot. Taas! Grabe! Ganda yan.
Bitin na. Ayun,
Ang
sakto.
green. Ang nag-green din.
Kurolig na naman.
Sobra. Pitching birdie.
Nice. Go.
10 bits, okay lang. Jadi, pating birdie. No, for par. We're now at hole number 11. I got Max on hole number 10. Tinaw talaga. Not my day today. Then they both got bogey. Let's see how we fare on this hole 11 par 3. Johnny on the tee. Ganda! Sakto yun. Puta for birdie. Next on the tee. Ognapis. Bunker. Boom. Tonight is calling. Wala na. In na. Kasama ng loob. Tapos second shot. The treasure hunter. The treasure hunt begins. Goods. For birdie. Johnny. Oh, nice one. Nice birdie.
For par. Ayo.
For par. Nice. Ay.
Mabugi. Kulang, double. Oh,
For bogs. Putang ina. Hindi mo bogs mo to. Double bogs. Right, so we just finished our 12th hole. So, unti-unti na nababawasan ang mga kalaban namin. Si Jaddy, tinawag na ang kryptonite. Siya ang susundo. So, dalawa na kayo ni Papo. See you guys at the end.
saan pumunta? Center ba? Where daw? Doon makapunta. Ayun, may bumaba doon.
On the tee. Hole 13, par 5, 480 meters. Nice. Okay, umangat doon sa bundok. Goods.
Second shot. Oops, doon lang. Boom.
Second shot for Mugnabis. Third shot for Mugnabis. Dalawa kanan.
Third shot. Fourth shot.
Negative. Fifth shot. Okay, goods. Nice one.
Paglima mo rin ata. Ang panganim mo. For bogey. Nice.
For bogs. Ayo. Pasok na. Double bogs.
Uy, sayang. Triple.
Hole 14, par 4, Papo on the tee. Bunker.
Uy, ang ganda. Kita mo?
Bunker shot for Ognapi. Second shot. Nakarolig lang man. Goods.
Karolig sa kabila.
Turn shot. 10 bits.
Third shot. Uy, lucky bounce. Galing.
Nice.
Pating par.
Fine birdie. Hina. Pating bogey na pala. Oh, nice, nice. Ay! Double bogs. For double bogs. Utang inang yan. Triple bogs pa.
Parking shit. Utang yan, ang ganda boy. Galing oh. Par.
Alright, so I got a par on the last hole. Very long par, and then Papo got a triple bogs here at hole number 15. White, 153 meters, par 3 on the tee, Ognappis. What a wonderful background. Let's see if it will transpire to a wonderful shot. Nice. On the green, oh. Go. Oh, nice. Goods.
Okay, for par. Not bad.
Papo on his birdie shot. Nice line, nice line, nice line, nice line, nice line. Oh my god. Ayang. Okay, 4 par. Nice one, nice par. The ball. Nice. Very unfortunate putting. Sayang second shot ko kasi nag-over. So I got a double bogs. Papa got a par. Last 3 holes. You're off to hole number 16. First shot.
Hindi ko nakita, boy.
So we're now at hole number 16, par 5, 456 meters. Papa on the tee. Taking his time to make the shot. Nice. Nice lie. Papo on his second shot. Nice. Pasok na sa may puno banda.
Angat lang yun.
Third shot. Fourth shot. Oh, behind. Oh, nagbanggar kung gumulong mo.
Third shot. Stinger. Nice. Oops. Go, 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 go. Muntik na.
First treasure hunt. Okay lang. Labas niya. Nice. Poor bogey. Kulang.
Pitching birdie. Nice.
No.
Goods.
Or double. Uy, putang umanan. Sayang. Triple. Okay.
Batting par. Ay, ilang bogs. Right, I got a triple bogs in the last hole, and Babo got a bogey. So we're now off to hole number 7, the last 2 holes.
Ako po, left na left. Yun. Dun.
We're now at hole number 17, par 4, 303 meters. On the tee. Ang ingay, parang kay Oknapis. Sun is setting. Doon sa puno. Doon. Banda. Nasaan tayo?
Sayang. Sa bulok.
Second shot. Nice on the green for birdie. Grabe.
Not bad. Green.
Patting birdie. Nice. Kanan.
Pating boogie. Uy, sayang. Double. Nice.
Patting par. Lakas. For bogs. Hirap pa yan. Dik pa. Ako bitin. Sayang yung pat. Sayang long pat. So I got a double bogs. Papo got a bogey. So we're off to the last hole. Last hole, hole 18, par 4, 328 meters. On the tee. Mag-ingay. Para kay Oknapis. Kumanan lang. Waliwa lang. Wala lang, nag-kick right.
Uy, diretso. Mas kumana ng bagya. Okay lang, ganda din dun. Mga to. Oh.
Second shot. Nice. On the green. Nice.
Sige. Sabay, pwede mo fade yan eh. Uy. Third shot. Nice. Wow, galing. Pating par.
Patting birdie. It's a long birdie hole. Nice. Goods. Good.
Okay, pating par. Ang lakas. Ting boogie. Oh, ang ganda.
Patting par. Nice. Nice. Bogey pa. Triple putt again. Alright, we're done with our round of golf. So for our front nine, Ambrose, golf kami. And we had a tie with Tim Wigram. So we will do a continuation match, or no, not continuation, another match. And then on our back nine, individual score na. So not bad. Not a bad way to spend your day. Good weather, good company, good golf. Now I'm off to my 19th hole. See you.